In a split moment, the world can change drastically. Peace can transform into pandemonium, safety into peril. Preparedness isn't just an option, but a vital necessity. Preparedness can't be an afterthought. Valuable time wasted in a survival situation might mean the difference between life and death. Today, we explore the lifesaver in such circumstances, the Bugout Bag. It's more than just a backpack. It's your survival kit, your lifeline, when the world around you is falling apart. It's a collection of items you require to survive for 72 hours when forced to evacuate due to a disaster. Begin with a sturdy, comfortable backpack. It should be spacious enough to carry essentials, yet light enough to not burden you. Water and food are your primary concerns. Pack sufficient bottled water for 3 days. Include high-energy, non-perishable food items like energy bars, canned goods, and nuts. Shelter and warmth are next in line. A compact sleeping bag, a small tent, and a waterproof poncho are crucial. Don't forget about first aid. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, and any personal medication are indispensable. Finally come the survival tools. A multi-tool, a flashlight, extra batteries, and a hand-cranked radio can create a huge difference. Remember, this is your basic bug-out bag. Customize it per your needs, your environment, and your skill level. Preparedness isn't paranoia. It's wise planning. Ready, stay safe. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us tomorrow as we delve deeper into survival preparedness. Until then, remain vigilant.